Scroll down to the footer and click on the Quick Order List link. Then select the list you need. You can use the product type filter to sort the products. Add as many items to the cart as you want. The discounted price is displayed in the cart. Create your own custom list. Name it. Add the products to your list. Select the checkbox. Select this checkbox to make this list appear first so that this list opens by default every time you log in. You can delete the list you created. You can search for products in the selected list. You can select the required quantity of the product and add it to the cart.